What is Speed SMS? Speed SMS is a service that enables sending a large number of SMS messages to a broad audience at once. This is a super powerful service to use in your business to deliver SMS messages safely, quickly, and directly to your customers worldwide. If you're running competitions, marketing campaigns, notifications to employees, promotions or events, Speed SMS mass messaging is the best platform to use for sending out a high volume of messages in one go. Since messages are bought in bulk, they are much cheaper than regular text messages used on an individual mobile phone for personal communication with other people. In the same time, Speed SMS is cheaper and significantly more effective than email and email marketing. Speed SMS messaging service provides its users capability to communicate rapidly with large numbers of people, so it can be used externally or internally. Benefits coming from sending SMS in bulk are competitive advantage, low operational costs, revenue generator, measurable ROI, high efficiency, good value for money. The transmission of bulk SMS messages is far more affordable than voice calls and emails. Effective email open rates vary greatly by industry, but on average it is around 20%. But in bulk SMS, more than 90% of text messages get read within 3 minutes of delivery. No other communication channel can brag to have such a success rate. Some data say 91% of adults keep their smartphones within arm's reach. 4 out of 5 smartphone users check their phones within the first 15 minutes of waking up. Another interesting fact is brands using SMS successfully reach 95% of smartphone and non-smartphone users. SPEEDSMS.in